In today's video, I'll show you how to add Calendly to Wix step by step. If you have a Wix website, integrating Calendly allows visitors to schedule appointments directly from your site without needing to contact you manually. First, sign into your Calendly account and make sure you have an event type ready for booking. Next, open your Wix account and go to the website you want to edit. From the Wix editor, navigate to the page where you'd like your booking calendar to appear. Now return to Calendly and go to the Event Types section. Select the event you want to display on your website. Click Share and then choose the Add to Website or Embed option. Calendly will provide several embed methods. For most Wix websites, the inline embed option works best because it displays the scheduling calendar directly on the page. Copy the embed code provided by Calendly. Now switch back to your Wix editor. Click the Add Elements button, then select Embed Code and choose Embed HTML. Drag the HTML embed element onto your page where you want the calendar to appear. Click Enter Code and paste the Calendly embed code into the box. Apply the changes and resize the embedded area if necessary so the calendar displays properly. Next, preview your website to make sure the Calendly scheduler loads correctly. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live. Your visitors can now book appointments directly from your Wix website without leaving the page. Before finishing, test the booking process on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure the calendar displays correctly and appointments can be scheduled without issues. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to Wix and created a seamless online booking experience for your website visitors. And that's how you add Calendly to Wix. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.